Now do that one. Now do the next one. Hold on tight. Do the next one. Oh, Max. Oh, and then you do this. Listen to that. Can you stand up? Nope, stand up. Stand up.
Good job, buddy.
There you go. Hold on here. Hold on. And hold on. I know, right?
Let's do it again over to the
Why
other
don't we
side.
start here and we'll go that way, okay?
Okay.
And first I'm putting your Danny in Cody in your pocket. Okay, you ready? Alright, I got you. Reach up. Can you reach that? There you go. Hold on to it. Where's your other hand? Okay, you ready? Oh, whoa, you gotta hold on. I'm still holding you, but you gotta hold on tight. Bring your next arm up. Oh. Do it, you can do it. Oh no! What? They're pretty cold.
Yeah. I did it.
You did too.
Good job, buddy.
My hands are cold like ice.
Oh man, give me your hands like ice. Give me your ice hands.
It's really cold.
I'm working on
Are they warmed up now?
No. That can't work. It's not working.
it. It's working. It's working.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.